Good morning and welcome to Alex the Barbarian. Today I am in the area of Pampa Linda and I go now to the refugio Otto Meiling. Let's turn off the Barbarian music for a while. Can you hear the waterfall? Walking on snow now, quite slippery. There is refugio Otto Meiling, where I will stay tonight. Good morning, I woke very early, it's very cold, I'm wearing like 3 layers of clothes. And now I go down to the Ilon. Okay, this is the part where I drop the phone into the river. Wow, I was there today morning. Some kind of hawk perhaps. Opa. Wow. And there he goes. And here is the Laguna Ilon. And there is the refuge.
Absolutely barbaric.
There are no showers in the refugios. That was the only way. Good morning, I woke up and now I go to a place called the Doctor's Viewpoint. It's supposed to be very beautiful. Argentinian wild ducks with ducklings block my way. Will they allow me to pass? Let us see. Yes, success. The ducks are retreating to the pond. Here I am at the Doctor's Viewpoint. This is incredibly beautiful here. Amazing, a day passed and the eagle is still right here. Yeah, I already stopped here yesterday, but I just have to stop and look again at this amazing glacier. This place is just amazing in its beauty, however not everything is perfect. There are swarms of those tabaños flies. They more or less ignore the spray against insects that I brought. But other than that, it's very beautiful. Just crossing the road. Hello, I also would like to use this road if I may please. Thank you very much. Perhaps I'm just too polite for a barbarian. One last look at the amazing glacier where I slept yesterday. And I go back to the parking to wait the bus back to Bariloche. It will take about 3 hours, but there is Wi-Fi over there. Share, like and subscribe for more barbaric videos.